Now we're going to show you how to use events using the Events module. We'll click on the event and we'll create our first event. And we can add our event. We should define the date, the location, maybe in London Bridge. We'll need 10 people for this event, and I can pick the color and the event manager. Next thing, I will pick the different shifts that I have here. So the first shift is in 10 a.m. and the next one would be 4. And I can add here different and many shifts. And I can check if there is a need for a car and can add this event. Now I'm getting to publish this event to all of our users. So these are 3 users, and I can select the audience and publish it to all of the users. Once I publish it, each of them gets a push notification telling them about the event and asking them to join this event. So once they join the event, I would see them in the participates. That's great. So I can see that 2 people can attend this event. I can see that the first one here has a car, the second one doesn't, and the 0 here means their priority, and I will show you in a sec how it works. So this is the people who can participate. So let's say I would like to add Omri to this group, and I can see him here in the organized event. This part, you can decide if you want to change shift for this person, or remove his car, or maybe add this car again. And I will also add John Taylor here, and now I can organize this event right here. Once the event is ready, I can add them all to the participants. Once they are in the participants column, they will receive a push notification telling them that they are in the event, will receive all the details, and can have some more actions to do later on. Next thing, I could decide that they are all going to be in the same shift, and I can manage the cars, and I will tell Omri to drive with John Taylor. So that's great. Now our cars are organized. Of course, all the details are forwarded to their smartphones. So now let's add them all to the event. That's great. All of them just received a push notification that they are in the event. I can add a few comments. This is a new employee, and the comment was updated. That's great. The next thing, I'm at the day of the event, and I can send a approval request to all of the employees in the morning. I want them to tell me that they are going to attend. So this is the default message. You can of course change it, and I will send it to all of the users. Now they received only the 2 users that are attending this event. Now we'll receive this message, and it will ask them if they're going to attend this event. I can see that already Omri has approved, and I will manually approve John Taylor because he told me it on the phone, and I can see that these 2 contacts are approved. So now I can go to the salary and see the hours report. I can change it and fix it because they haven't reported like I needed. And now I have my salary report. Another thing that I can do here is to rate all of these employees during the event. So I can go to rating and really quickly rate them both to 5-star and 3 stars. And this rating is aggregated through all of the events. And this is how you manage an event. Once the event is ended, I can end the registration. It means that I don't want people to register to the event anymore, and I can add the event once it's ended. So let's end the event. Once the event ended, I won't see it in the events, I would see it in the past events, and I can see it right here. And the last thing I want to show you is how do I calculate a salary at the end of the month. So now I want to calculate the salary to the September. I can calculate it here, and I can see all of the people who worked, how many shifts they had, what is the salary for their events. And of course I can define each kind of salary for each person or event. So this is the events part. Thank you so much.